Today we'll be talking about container gardens. Container gardens are a great addition to any landscape. They work well in large landscapes, they work well if you have a small yard. They're really a wonderful addition. You can use containers along walkways, on patios, decks, porches. They're a great way to highlight the entry into your home or your business. And they're also great to use in the landscape to create a focal point in the gardens. Containers come in many different sizes and forms. As you can see here, we have a dish type container. This works great for a Mediterranean garden, or maybe where you want to include a container but you don't want a lot of height, all the way up to something tall like this herb pot, which is designed to have plants growing not only out of the top of it but also out of the sides.